welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a Walmart fashion clearance haul and I'm really excited to show you guys this. So every time I see people haul in clearance things at Walmart, I just get so excited, especially when it's fashion related because I love fashion. And I found such amazing finds that I just really wanted to share with you guys. I feel like I hit the jackpot. Like, you'll be shocked what I'm gonna show you. I don't know how Walmart makes money when these things go on clearance so crazy. It goes down to freaking $1. There are things that I have here that are $1. Yes, they did that. I love Walmart, guys. I used to love Target so much, but I feel like the past year and a half, Walmart has stepped up their game where they have so many cute things, and I just feel like Walmart is way better than Target. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I'm saying this. I used to be a Target freak, but ever since Walmart has stepped up their game, I'm not kidding you guys. Oh my gosh, yes. I'm just gonna say it. I love Walmart way better than Target. There you go. They have so much great stuff, but their prices still remain super affordable. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. But before we begin, make sure if you guys have not clicked that subscribe button, that you click it right now. If you guys like these types of video, make sure you click that like button as well. And without further ado, let's get right into it because I have quite a bit of stuff. I wanna get through it. So let's go. First thing I found on clearance. Now I did find most of these online. I just want to point that out. And some of these I did find in the store. So, and another thing too with Walmart, it's kind of weird. If they have a clearance sale at a certain store, they might not have it in another store. I don't know why. I just want to let you guys know that. But this is what I found and I wanted to share with you guys. First thing being is this a freaking awesome, like, oh my gosh, what is this called? Knitted? Is it knitted? Yeah, it's like a knitted sweater. It looks like this. It's not a turtleneck. It's, I forgot what this is called. Oh my gosh, I cannot speak today. But yeah, you get the picture. It looks like this. And original price of this, okay, it doesn't say because it's from online. Whenever it's online, it does not have a price. But basically, this was like, I think like $9. It was on clearance for $3. And yeah, I got this one. I think this was called like Spice Apple or something like that. It is so cute. I did get in the size small. This very stretchy. This isn't a junior, but because it's so stretchy, I like it and I like things fitted. So yeah, I got this in the small. And then I also got another one, also $3. And this one is more like a mustard color. It is so freaking beautiful. Look at this thing. And it's so flattering. Guys, if you see this type of sweater, pick it up. I don't know what it is about this material and this knitted, let me show you guys. See how it's all knitted? Yeah, this will just slim you down. So it'll make you look like you're wearing Spanx. I'm not joking, guys. This is freaking awesome. Now, they did have those in different colors, and I feel so bad that I was not able to pick it up. They sold out in all the other colors. They had like, bright pink, black, white, nude, literally almost all the colors of the rainbow. I think they have like 10 different kinds. And let me tell you, I'm that type of person that if I like something, I will get them in all the colors. But they didn't have it, like I said, unfortunately. And I really hope, fingers crossed, that they will have it coming this year again, like they repeated. Walmart, if you're watching this right now, please bring these back because these are awesome. Found these belt purses. I think that's what they're called. So it is by New Boundaries. It's in the size small/medium. And this one is like a baby pink. It is so cute. This is perfect when you're running errands. You just gotta, you know, put it, or let me show you guys. So just put it around your waist like this. And yeah, it is just perfect. Guess how much I paid for this? $3.50. Now that is what you call a steal. Like, this is insane. And this is the crazy part about shopping online at Walmart. This was on clearance for $3.50, and when I went to the store, it was regular price for I think like $12.97 or something like that. Psh, girl. And I also picked it up obviously in this black because I love black. I just had to because this is so freaking cute. Now this you can remove and just use it as a makeup bag, I guess. But the thing is, you would have to cut this off and you can't put it back on if you do. So they do put that on purpose so that way it doesn't move around, it stays put. So once you break it, you can obviously put it back, but it'll slide around, if you know what I mean. But anyways, this was $4 on clearance. Such a great steal. Again, this was in size small medium. These, oh my gosh, I feel like this is just a steal. So these were originally $19.98, I believe. Let me check. Yeah, $19.97 actually. I got these for $3, guys. That is insane. And if you guys don't know, these are very on trend this year. And I feel like these are always gonna be classics where you can use them year after year and they will still look good, either if they're in trend or not, because I'm not that type of person where I necessarily follow trends. Like if I like a new trend, I will follow it obviously because I like it, not because everybody else is wearing it, because it's in trend. I don't think anybody needs to do that. I actually got it because it is freaking cute. It's in trend, but it's cute, and that's why I got it. And on top of that, guys, this is so comfortable. If you guys are looking for super comfortable wedges, you have to pick these up. I mean, they're flat. I think they're called flat platforms, if I'm not mistaken, but yes, $3. Here's another pair of shoes that are also $3. These I actually found in the store. They had several of these and I was so glad that I found them in my size. I am usually a size 6 in sandals, but I always buy a 6.5 when it comes to like booties or boots because I like to have extra room so that way I can wear my socks. I do wear socks with these. I don't know if any of you guys wear these without socks. I would feel weird without them because I feel like you'll sweat and I don't know. And they look like this, guys. These are so freaking cute. I have seen these on Steve Madden website for I believe like $100. I'm not really sure, but $3 freaking dollars, guys. Like what? Heck yeah, look at this. It is so freaking beautiful. And these were originally, let me see if I have the tag. Okay, so these were originally $19.98. The next pair of shoes that I found are these ones right here. This is another like platform wedge, and oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. It's leopard. If you guys don't know, I'm like a leopard freak. I don't care if it's in trend or not, which it is right now, but either it is or not, I really don't care. I love it. Leopard to me is like a classic. It will never go out of style, either, like I said, if it's hot, if it's in trend, if it's not, who really cares? These are freaking cute. Look at them. They're so freaking cute. They're so comfortable, guys. Number one key for me, I don't care how cute a shoe is. If you're not comfortable, I'm not wearing you. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I didn't even mention how much these are. So these are $14.50. Okay, so I'm back with my baby girl. She actually woke up, so I had to get her. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Yeah. Did my hat get you? You like my hat? You like my hat? No, you can't get my hat. There you go. You want to play with that? Yeah? Okay, so I'm going to try to finish this. We'll see how that goes. But like I said, guys, highly advise you guys pick this up. This was originally $19.98. I got these for $14.50. And I've been eyeing these for a while, but I didn't want to pay $19.98, even though at that price it's really affordable, but I really didn't want to pay, and I waited and I got them. Size 6, if I didn't mention. Now moving on, I'm really sorry. This is going to be kind of hard for me to show you guys because I did not hang it. I didn't hang this. I wish I did because it would have made it easier. Oh my gosh, I can't talk. Here, baby girl. So this cardigan I found for $5. This was originally I think like $20. So it looks like this. It's like the, here baby. It's like the really slouchy kind. So, okay. This I got in an extra large. And I know that sounds like crazy because usually I'm in the size small and a medium. But yeah, I got this in an extra large. It looks like this. Sorry guys, I know this looks so bad. I apologize. But guys, if you see this, you have to pick it up. And even if you pick it up in like a really big size, it doesn't really matter. It looks like those cardigans that are made that way, where you know how they're like big and slouchy, but it looks amazing on. It's so pretty. I love the way it drapes and just the way it sits on me. I love it. Now I know that we are in the spring, soon coming summer, but I love this. Hey, There you go, my love. There you go, my love. I love you. So moving on, I found this beautiful kimono cardigan. So it looks like this. It is so gorgeous. This is in a large / extra large. And I actually love it like that because it looks even more like a kimono cardigan, if you know what I mean. And this is so freaking gorgeous. This was originally $14.97. And guess how much I paid for this, guys? This is such a steal. I got this for $3 freaking dollars. It is super long. I don't know if I can show you guys. Let me see. So it goes all the way like that. I am pretty short. I am 5 feet. It goes halfway below my knees. So it is fairly long, but I really love it. Pick it up if you guys see this. So I love it. If you guys are into kimono dragon, what the heck? Kimono cardigans like I am, you're gonna like that one. Now last but not least, I found some headbands and a hat, and they are all for $1. So this is the first one. This is a hat, and is it a plaid? Oh my gosh, I know this print and I totally forgot. It's not a plaid. Anyways, you guys know what I'm saying. It's like on the tip of my tongue, but I can't say it. You trying to grab it? Are you trying to grab it? Huh? So yeah, it looks like this for $1. Originally it was $4.88 if I'm not mistaken. No, I'm sorry. It was $7.97. So $8 original price. I got it for $1. Do you want to play with it, baby? Go ahead. These were all $1 each. Do you want to show them? Do you want to show this one? Yeah? Yeah? So it looks like this. They are so freaking beautiful. This is actually very on trend right now. This like tie knot in the front. I'm sorry, in the front on top. And this is so cute. Honestly, it gives me like Chanel vibes. It's really pretty. It's like a tweed design. And let me tell you guys, I have gotten one of this in like a navy blue. And I paid full price of the $4.88 that it was. And I got this, like I said, for $1. Look at this. Go ahead, baby. You can have it. And then I also got this one, which I think it's really pretty. Oh my gosh, guys, these freaking lights in front of me is making me sweat like crazy. So if you see me sweating, I don't know if you can through the camera, but I'm literally sweating bullets right now. I'm trying to finish it up. I'm sorry, but it is so hot. The struggle is real. Really pretty. I feel like this is more suitable for like fall and winter, but it's really cute. There you go, baby. And then this one. This is so pretty. It's like a lace. So pretty. You want to get it? There you go. And it also has like that tie on the top, tie knot. So highly advise that you guys check out Walmart right now. They are having so much clearance going on. It is insane, right? Yeah. So that is it, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this haul. If you did, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. Oh, is that what you want to tell them? Do you want to say hi? So, oh my gosh, you got me distracted. I didn't even know what I said. What was I saying? Oh, so yeah, like I said, if you guys like this video, make sure you click that like button. And if you guys have not subscribed yet, make sure you click that subscribe button. And also don't forget to click that notification bell so that way you get notified every time I post a new video. Until next time, I hope you guys have a blessed day. Bye. Can you say bye? Say bye. Say bye. Look. Look. Say bye. Say bye. You want to say bye? Bye, guys.